Last year, towards the middle of the year 2020, the Tesla stock split. We've recently seen the stock price get that close, and with these new factories and Q4 profits, there is a good chance that the stock price will exceed the price it was when it split the last time, which means Tesla stock price could go completely insane. The stock price climbed by 30% the last time the split was announced. Is it really that difficult to believe? The market will now be anticipating it once more. So much so that it is possible it'll go even higher this time, before a quick reversal as many people take profits. If this is your first visit to our Smart Stocks Academy channel, please accept my warmest greetings before we proceed. To be the first to know when a new video like this is released, subscribe to our Smart Stocks Academy channel and click the notification bell next to it. So if you're ready, let's get to the video. Okay, so there is a chance that Tesla will soon open their factories and earn as much as $3 per share in fourth quarter. All of this will undoubtedly result in a significant increase in their stock price, which will likely surpass the previous stock price at that time of the last split announcement. To be honest, I believe the stock has the potential to rise above $1,500, and that is a significant increase. And because I believe there is a good likelihood that a slew of stock boosting events will occur in the near future, this type of chance does not come along very often. So, if these events occur, the stock price will inevitably rise to the point where Tesla will have to announce another split. If the stock is currently trading at $1,500 and the news lifts it by 30%, the stock will be trading at $2,000. As a holding shareholder, this is also thrilling since you get to watch your shares and net worth climb considerably. However, the stock will eventually readjust, but the price might still remain strong north of $1,500. One of the reasons Tesla has to split is that the employee stock purchase plan is too difficult to administer. Tesla wants to make it simple for their employees to hold stock. They probably won't be able to acquire portions of the stock, as some trading sites allow. But let's be honest, Tesla doesn't want its stock to trade at a high level for various reasons. It is going to break up. Okay, there may be a large macro or black swan event in which Tesla and the market drops so hard that Tesla does not need to split for a while longer. On the other hand, it may return to its pre-split level this month. Tesla will generate incredible fourth quarter profits, more than 10 times what they were the previous quarter, and more than 10 times in EPS in just 1 year. Tesla reached a high of $940 in January 2021. The stock price is less than 10% higher at the time of writing, but we have a multiple of over 10 times EPS. We also have 2 new plants, where everything went very smoothly, with the exception of regulatory concerns in Berlin, which caused the Cybertruck to be delayed by a year. Oh, and China will be roughly 3 or 4 times larger than previously estimated. This is intended to be a discussion on how cheap Tesla's stock price appears to be in comparison to everything else that has occurred. This is more about what lies ahead, such as fourth quarter profits and the earnings call, which we know will be significant because Elon will be on it. It is possible that it will be streamed live in Austin, and Elon will then officially announce the opening of Giga Austin. On this call, there will be undoubtedly something, or a few things, that will be significant. With great earnings and at least one factory set to open in the next months, the company has a good chance of breaking through to split potential. The market may even sense one approaching and push the price up before there is even a hint of a split, simply a hunch that one is on the way. This might increase the possibilities of a split even more, leading to more people buying ahead of time, possibly creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. There are a slew of possible catalysts coming up soon that could rekindle the stock's price momentum. Just to remind you, the stock price soared above $1,200 when the most recent quarterly data was released. This outcome will be at least 50% greater than the previous one, just quarter over quarter. I believe it will be well over 60% higher. Just over $250 million in earnings is a huge jump. If this is combined with the Austin opening, the stock will get significant traction. The cost could skyrocket. The opening of the Austin facility is significant since we received 4680 car specs. All speculation about the impact of these batteries on the automobiles will be put to rest. They probably will feature faster charging and longer range, as well as better performance and a lighter weight. We are always hearing about the most cutting-edge technology from each of the traditional automakers, as well as Chinese automakers. Since the 2170 battery was announced, this is the most recent and greatest from Tesla for their mainstream models. It will be a greater technological leap than the 18650 was from the 2170. And it is all because of Tesla. And this is another reason why the Austin debut is so significant. All of these factors, as well as others, might drive the stock price higher and keep it there, causing Tesla to split. To be honest, if you have been holding Tesla for years, the separation isn't going to matter much to you. If you can't buy fractional shares, it may make it easier to collect shares. It does not make a difference in the long run. But if a split is possible, I believe it is as important to have some options on hand just in case it is announced. And that is one of the benefits of the split. It will make options trading more easier and less risky, as the options will cost approximately a fifth of what they are currently. This may not be Tesla's final split anytime soon. I have done a lot of estimates that have Tesla stock price reaching $5,000 before 2025. It could be influenced by a variety of factors. However, everyone is currently discussing macro issues which will inevitably affect PE ratios. However, in fact, the crash is frequently the sole macro event that influences the stock price. Until then, it will essentially continue to rise up or down in an upward pattern until it falls. Markets are a difficult thing to anticipate. I make no attempt and I am very clear about it. Rather than attempting to forecast the markets, I try to forecast the future of Tesla the best that I can. And as we're just beginning to see, after Tesla has covered its OPEX, it will begin to make some substantial money, as we'll see for the first time in the fourth quarter. Unfortunately, this may be the last opportunity for a while, since these new factories will take time to build up efficiently enough to generate profits. When the new facilities start producing in sufficient capacity by the end of the year, Tesla will be a real moneymaker. Doubling the number of deliveries translates to a lot more than double the income. In any case, I believe that all of these occurrences are sufficient to propel Tesla stock to the next level, maybe trading between $1,300 and $1,500, which is Tesla stock split territory. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and what price you believe the stock will have to hit before a split is announced, and when you think that it will happen. And that brings today's video to an end. If you haven't already, hit the like button below to show your love and support for this video. Also, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below and turning on the notification bell next to it to be the first to know when a new video is posted. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we hope you had a great time. We hope to see you again soon.